Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you some amazing and stylish fabric crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, fabric crafts. Today we're exploring the wonderful world of fabric crafts. Fabric craft is creative, colorful, and full of possibility. It's allow you turn simple fabric into beautiful items for your home, crafts, or personal use. Fabric crafts include projects like patchwork, table runner, bags, cushions, cover, decorative items. The beauty of fabric craft is that combine creative skill and imagination. Even small piece of leftover fabric can be turned into something beautiful and useful. To start, choose your fabric: cotton line, soft blend, and weavers. Fabric, friends, blends work best for a mastery project. You can use salt, color prints, or even patterns fabric to creative contrast interest. Choosing the right fabric sets the tunes for your project. Next, plan your designs or patterns for patchwork or quality. Decide on shapes and size of piece. Square, triangle, circle all work beautiful for our crafts like bag, pouches, or table runner. Details on the layer and needed planning help you organize your work and enjoy a neat polished results. And viewers, cutting fabric is very important. Use sharp scissor or cutter and a ruler. Even small inaccuracies can affect the final look. Take your time and enjoy the process of selecting and cutting your fabric. Sewing in the heart of fabric crafts. You can use sewing machine or hand machines depending on your profession. Stitch carefully, keeping lines and constant. For begin, simple running stitches, back stitches are a great start. With practice, you can try decorative stitches in intricate patterns. Fabric crafts also allow you to add embellishment, lace, ribbon, button,